Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Realtek audio driver not working on Windows 11. First, open the Start menu and search for Device Manager, then click to open it. Once it opens, find the section called Sound, Video, and Game Controllers and expand it. Now look for Realtek Audio, right-click on it, and choose Update Driver. Then click Search automatically for drivers and wait for Windows to check and install any updates if available. If this does not fix the issue, you can switch to a generic audio driver. Go back to Device Manager, right-click on Realtek Audio again, and select Update Driver. This time choose Browse My Computer for drivers, then click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. You will see a list. Now select High Definition Audio Device and click Next. Follow the steps and let it install. After that, restart your computer. If you still have no sound, you can run the built-in troubleshooter. Open Settings, then go to System. Scroll down and click Troubleshoot, then click Other Troubleshooters. Find the Audio Troubleshooter and click Run next to it. Follow the instructions on the screen and let Windows detect and fix the problem automatically. After completing these steps, your audio should be working again. If not, you may need to reinstall the driver completely. Thanks for watching.